For years, Isabella had been hearing strange noises in her head. As a child, she thought it was perfectly normal. After all, she assumed everyone experienced the same thing. She never told anyone, thinking it was just part of being human. But as time went on, the sounds became more disturbing, and Isabella began to wonder if something was wrong. One day, when she was little, she told her mother, "Mom, I have a superpower. I always hear sounds." Her mom thought it was just her daughter mimicking characters from movies. However, as time passed, Isabella's strange condition became more alarming. "Mom, I hear my eyes move," Isabella told her mother one day. "What do you mean?" her mom asked, concerned. "I hear everything inside my body, the blood flowing, my eyes moving. Don't you hear it?" Isabella explained. Her mother, terrified, asked how long it had been happening. Isabella said, "A very long time." Her mother promised her she wouldn't be alone in this struggle, and they would find a way to stop the sounds. So they visited doctors, but no one could explain it. Some suggested a psychologist. Others dismissed it as a figment of Isabella's imagination. Yet nothing changed. Years went by. Isabella grew up, got married, and had a son. Despite her condition, she lived a full life, working as a waitress and being a loving mother. However, one day, while at work, the sound of breaking dishes made her dizzy, and she fell. A woman from the restaurant approached her afterward and suggested she see a doctor. This time, Isabella decided to take the advice, even though she was skeptical. She saw a specialist who, for the first time, listened to her without judgment. After some tests, he diagnosed her with a rare condition, bilateral superior semicircular canal divergence. This meant a portion of her ear's temporal bone was missing, affecting both her hearing and balance. The doctor recommended surgery to fix it, though it came with a risk. Isabella could lose her hearing permanently. Though terrified, Isabella knew she couldn't continue like this. She agreed to the surgery, hoping for relief. The operation was long and difficult, but afterward, Isabella woke up to a shocking silence. She couldn't hear anything except the heart rate monitor. For the first time in years, she experienced complete quiet. But Isabella wasn't done. She knew there was still one more step to take. After recovering, she underwent surgery on her other ear. The recovery was grueling, but finally, Isabella was free from the constant noise in her head. Now, she lives a peaceful life with her family, grateful for the silence she once thought was impossible. So, dear viewers, have you ever heard of a diagnosis like this? Please share your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.